Hey, all right, everybody. Why am I in the kitchen and why is there a headlight but there? Right now, I know some people are going to say, why are you repairing stuff in your kitchen? It's for filming purposes only. I can't get in the shed because I got too many bikes in the shed and it's too windy outside. So I'm standing by here in the kitchen just for filming purposes. Now, by here, I got a headlight sort of taken apart for a Fiat Doblo because outside I got a Fiat Doblo van from Copart that's had a bang in the front, and that video will be coming very, very soon. Now, why have I got the headlight by here and why am I making a video? Well, I was taking it apart and I thought, seeing as the headlight is by here, right by here, I thought I'd get the camera and have a look at all the individual bulbs and show how they clip on, because you know when you're trying to change a bulb in a car and you're bending over, looking upside down, and you haven't got a clue where the blinking spring things go. If I showed a close-up of the springs on here, it might help somebody out. It might help somebody. So the next person who goes to do their Fiat Doblo headlight doesn't bend all these wires, twist them and bend them and break them, if you know what I mean. So let's get another camera and go a little bit closer. We'll delve into these holes by here. There's one by there, there's one by there, and there's one by there. There's two bulbs in that one in there and one in there. So let's have a look. Let's have a little squint and see what it's all about. Okay, then here we go. This is the right-hand headlight upside down. So you've got the indicator down by here. Down there, look, that's the indicator. I think you've got your main beam there, high beam there, and your side light is just up there above it. And there's the connector there, like a round connector. And then you've got your adjuster there and your adjuster there. So that's the headlight. Now, we are looking at it upside down, but like I said, it's just, this might help somebody out, and I like to help people out. So let's get the camera in a little bit closer, really close to there, and we'll have a look what's going on. Okay, so just look at the main headlight bulb first. So there it is there, look. And if I take this connector off, give that a bit of a pull, my hand's going to be in the way. Now, let's try and get that out of the way. Right, that's out of the way. So there we go, it's a H7 bulb, you can see it there, and you can see that the clip there and there. So you've got to push that one in and away and push that one in and away. I'll try and do it. It's hard to do it without getting my hands in the way, so I'll try. I'll try this one here. I'll push in, push to the side, and that pops out, look. Then when you want to put it back in, you push past it, push it back in, and it clips under there. So that's the main headlight and is a H7 bulb. If we go over to this one here, similar sort of thing, couple of spring clips. Let me just take that one connector off there, out of the way, so it's a bit more visible, like that. Let's put that out of the way there. You can go over there. Get over there. Get over there. Stop it. Right, okay, so there we go. So I can't actually see what that bulb is. Let me just take it out then, okay? So same thing again. I'm trying to get my hand in there and film it. So I don't know if you can see there. One pushes in and up and one pushes in and down. So this one will be, I can't get my hand in and do it at the same time. Let's see if I can get my hand in that way there. Like that, right? I don't know if you can see that very well. How can I get the camera in there? Push in and up. Try and get the camera on there. Come on. If I go around to there like that. There we go. Push in, down, and there we go. That pops out then, look. Lovely. Right, so let's pull that out of the way there. Let's just get that bulb up there without touching the lens. If I can get it out of the way. Come on, stop messing about. My glove is caught on the thing now. Right, let's have a look what bulb is in this one. I'm trying not to touch the front bit. Even though I got gloves on, they're still messy. Can you see what that says on there? I can't see. It's a... Let me go to the light down about. I think it says Osram Germany, then H1. That says H1. So let's put that down by there. Put that down by there. I got the lids by there, look. There's the lids. And then up in there, look, up in there, there's your side light bulb. So I try and get my hands in there. I can't get my hands in there and show you at the same time. I think it's impossible, but I'll try. So you give that a little bit of a turn. I turned it anti-clockwise and that pops out. And there we go. There's that bulb there. It's a big old meaty bulb for a side light. I'm trying to look what it says on the side there. It says 12 volts, 21 watts, and I can't see the number on there, so I can't see it. My eyes ain't what they used to be. That says, does that say, it says 216 or 316 on it? I'm not quite sure. Let's look on the other side. There's nothing on there. Let me take the bulb to the light so I can see the number. It does say 216 on there. So there we go. So let's pop that back up in there like that. I'll leave that there for now. And then this one is easy peasy. This is probably the easiest one of all because it's close to the top unless there's something in the way. But I think you just give it a turn that way like that. This is the indicator bulb. And there we go. The indicator bulb. So let's pop that back in there like so. And there we go. It's not so easy to do with one hand because the thing's moving. You give it a turn and that's clicked back in there. So there we go. That's the bulbs in a Fiat. Now, this is a Fiat Doblo 2010 to 2015, right? The facelift headlights might be slightly different, but this is from 2010 to 2015. And there's the plug there. There we go. Right, okay, so that was the headlight bulbs. Now, I did mistake the DRL bulb for a side light bulb, so I did try to point that out in the video, and I'll put a little picture now, a little clip of an arrow pointing to the actual side light bulb, which is just above the headlight bulb. Now, I did buy a kit for fixing the headlight, so let's have a quick look at the headlight kit and see what's involved in fixing a headlight when the lugs are broken. Right, okay, I've got the headlight by here now. I've got the headlight kit. Here's the proper headlight kit. And there's another little mount on the bottom there. Now, when you try and put it on here, these little fins are in the way. There is a bit of a hole here, so I have got some of that, I can't remember what it's called. Hang about, let me have a look. I have got sticks all, it's like it really sticks. It's like tiger seal. I think I got tiger seal somewhere as well, but that's black. So I'll put some of that on the hole. I got some tiger seal down there as well, look, see? Down by there. Right, so, and that's the same sort of stuff, but it's black. Anyway, let's get back to the light. Right, so I've got to do a little bit of trimming by here because this has got to sit down on there and they're in the way. See, these fins are on here, so I got to take them off first. So let me cut them off. Right, okay, so I got them off. I used the Stanley knife. I just cut around them and then broke them off. Now this will fit on there. Let me just put that on there like that. That fits on there correctly now. You can see that top bit there is flush to the top of there. So I'll put some goof on there now, and then I'll put that on there like that and screw it on. Okay then, so there's the first one I've done there. Now I had to put different screws in because these screws by here, these ones here, they're not wide enough. They don't grip the thing. Luckily I had a pack of these lying around anyway, and they fit perfectly. So there's one under there, then two up there, and I've put the goof on it as well. So that's in it, lovely and solid. Same thing, I've got to cut this off here, look. So I'll do all the rest of them now. Same sort of thing, 1, 2, 3 mounting holes. I'll put some goof on it as well, just to make it extra strong, and I'll do the rest of them. Okay then, there's the headlight, it's all fitted in, look. We got this mount here, look. I've done that one there, and it's got some of the goof for extra strength. That one up there you saw, that one's in with the goof for extra strength. I can't show you the one down here because it's behind the bumper, but when you put the kit on, the light, it all fits in there tidy. There we go, look. Lovely. Okay then, that was a good look around the bulbs and how they go in, and also the fixing kit. And I would recommend buying the genuine fitting kit from Fiat because it fits perfectly, it all fits tidy. Anyway, if you did like this video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ahoy!